guys, Kanye here. I upload today. It's actually kind of taking a nap now, but it's raining outside, and I upload this like this OSTs because I was kind of bored, because I didn't know what video to upload on a rainy day, so I decided to upload those 5 tracks. And in fact, I'm actually gonna do this extra rare thing called extra rare, being a secondary rare and extra rare theme compilation thing, because all the same is I'm gonna wait until Mox theme is out and Boostek guys theme is out for Color Song. So yeah, basically, I'm actually taking a nap in my underwear. Yeah, so, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.